Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert data into charts or how to insert charts in Google Sheets. So if you have your Google Sheets that you're working on and you have a bunch of data there and you like to convert this into a chart, make it look more user friendly, more visible to the eyes, then it's very easy. Now, I've had a table here. I've had some data. I have some data here in my Google Sheets. And in order to convert this into a chart, you want to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and select the entire cells that I want to convert this to. So for you, it could be whatever it is. You could make something simple, it could be more complex. I'm just going to select everything here. Or you can even select a small portion of the chart. It doesn't really matter. You just want to ensure that you select the cells that you want to, right? So I'm going to select, for example, this. And once you select the portion of the chart that you want to create, that you want to convert into a chart, you want to go ahead and click and insert at the top there. And here you want to look for charts in the list and go ahead and click on charts. Now, once you do that, there's a ton of different charts that you can use. You can basically select from multiple different charts. You can convert this into, you can do so many things with the charts, but in order to basically change this, as you can see, it automatically show as a column chart, but I can click this and I can switch this to anything that I want. There's so many options there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just basically leave it to, for example, this one here. I'm going to choose a combo chart. And as you can see, basically shows something there. I can choose a line chart, or you get the general idea. So you can basically select whatever you want. It's really up to you. And as you can see there, it basically shows. So yours might look a bit more better than mine. I just want to show you that there's so many options there that you can basically choose from to insert it. Once you go ahead and you insert your charts, you can always come back and modify this. So you can always click on your chart. You have three dots on the right hand side. You have edit chart, you have delete chart. You can do so many things. So if you want to come back and edit your chart, you can click in that. And from there, you can always, make some changes to it. And keep in mind that if you want to modify values on your chart, you can move it. And the more values you modify in your chart, it's going to basically change it for you. So if I want to change, for example, this value, if I want to change this to, I don't know, 2000 or something like that, once I do that, you will see that it changes on my chart and you see it start to show up on there. So I'm going to go ahead and make some while number claims here, just something like that. You see, I start to change that. I make something here. Let's do, for example, for example, you get the idea. And you see, the more you change the values there, it start to show up on the chart. And that's it. This might not be the greatest and the best example to show you maybe a simple something a bit more simple, but this is to show you nevertheless that no matter what you have inputted in your Google Sheets, you can convert that into a chart. As you can see there, this is just me working on some stuff here, and I can easily convert that to a chart. And as I said, once you're ready, you can always come here, click on the chart, click the three dots, you can edit it, you can delete it, you can do whatever, you can even publish your charts if you so desire. Everything here, you have all the options that you need. You can go into more customized stuff. You have so many things that you can do when it comes down to charts there. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to convert your data into charts in Google Sheets.